I am talking about Arken Optics' new Outrider. This is the Outrider 2-12 by 42 single focal plane optic. This is simplistic, usable, and affordable. Let's open this thing up and see what's in here. Large forgiving eye box, toolless operation, multi-coated lens, single focal plane reticle. If you don't know what that is, talk about that for a minute. It's waterproof, fog proof, basically shock proof, and lifetime warranty proof. Let's get into this thing. So today's going to be talking about this thing, not using this thing. So we're going to start off getting into it and seeing what we have here. Simple box for a simple scope. Sunshade, be handy on a day like today. A little bag with some goodies in here. We got some wrenches and things inside of here, and we'll get to that in a minute. But let me set this thing down. Pull off the packaging here. Your Arken Optics all come with these little bikini cap deals on them here. So, second focal plane. What that means is this thing does not have a parallax adjuster on the side. Nothing you got to deal with. Focusing in the target, it's ready to go. So this is a maximum magnification of 12, minimum magnification of 2, second focal plane scope. Meaning you put this thing at the magnification you want, zoom it into what you want, point it at what you want, pull the trigger. This has capped turrets. And this is a MOA version optic right here. So capped turrets on this guy and quarter MOA. Now, you can hear that. It is not the telltale bang bang that you get from some of the precision optics that Arken has, but it is by all means all you need to have a good tactile click on there. Even with a pair of gloves on, I'm pretty confident I can feel that. Illuminator reticle. Show you guys what that looks like. Got a little label on here. And this goes up to 6 with in between, kind of shuts it off in between or whatnot. But this is a smaller diameter. This is not the big old honking 34 millimeter. This is 30 millimeter tube on this thing. And let's look through it and see what the glass is like. Love the reticle. This has got what I would call the duplex reticle, meaning it's just heavy on the outside, skinny on the inside. And like all the videos that I have, you're not getting much shoot through footage from me. I just don't believe in it. I don't think that these cameras, I just don't think they give you the true feel of the glass. Magnification knob is like butter. Now, the cool thing with this is this thing has, it's got a little knob in here we can mount up on here. And I'm going to be mounting this up and do a full mount up on it. This is just the original unboxing and initial assessments of this optic here. The Outrider 2-12 by 42. This is the closest thing you're going to get from Arken Optics to a fixed power optic. 2-12, highly usable. That's a huge field of view. When you put this thing down to 2, well, I'm looking at that bean field. I can see a couple hundred yards out there. Easy peasy. I crank her up to 12. Crisp and clear. Man, I like this thing. This thing is simple. I like this. This is affordable. This is simple. And I'm a firm believer that most people, you're not out doing these extreme distances, you're not doing the extreme precision paper type stuff. The guy that goes hunting, the guy that plings a little bit with your buddies, this is going to be that Arken Optic for you. This thing's lightweight, lifetime warranty, affordable, simple to use, man. There's less stuff to forget to monkey around and focus in. You know, it's got the smooth as butter too. Even this to focus up your ocular adjustment on here, just, it is good. A little bit of lubricant on there. I actually like seeing that. I'm not getting this binding of the O-ring or something like that. Boy, she comes in and out of focus really good, that reticle is. And I can pop her right up to 12. I'm getting zero. I'm going to tell you, zero damn distortion of the glass on this thing cranked up to 12. I like it. I think I'm going to probably end up with some more of these things, and I might be getting off of some of that precision stuff that I use on some of my platforms that I use in the field out here. So check this thing out. Check back into the channel. I'm excited to get this thing mounted up and talk more about it, how it tracks, how it zeroes in, how it handles mirage, mist, rain, snow, dust, dirt, and everything else. Getting this thing mounted up, holds the zero and everything else. So, hey, thanks for checking onto the channel. This is your quick, generalized unboxing and overview of the Arken Optic Outrider 212 by 42.